Tesla is expected to launch 6-seat Model Y in 2025 all over China. Tesla is reportedly gearing up to build a 6-seat variant of its Model Y car in China, which is expected to launch in the last quarter of 2025. The Elon Musk-led EV maker firm Tesla has allegedly requested all suppliers to build accordingly for the massive production of Model Y at its Shanghai factory. However, the way to increase the production is still under wraps, as its approval is anticipated to be expanded on almost 70 hectares, 172 acres of former farmland. Additionally, it's already experienced a 6% on-year surge in both overseas Model 3 and domestic over a few months ago, which sharply rose by the release of the renewed variant of 2023. Tesla lifted a veil off of the Model Y in 2020, which has been constantly rehashed under a dubbed project known as Juniper. The variant would seat 5 and is now likely to be launched in the late 2025 instead of the ongoing year as previously planned. The integration of the 6-seater variant was highlighted in China for domestic rivals, while in the USA, it's likely to be integrated with self-driving technology and robo-taxi development. Moreover, the Model Y crossover is substantially the top marketed car all across China among all the power types, and it successfully sold 207,800 vehicles from January till June. However, the Seagull sedan would be caught up, so an exponential increase in Model Y sales is expected because of the launch of its full self-driving feature coming to China by the end of the year.